Okay, so this is just a quick video on how you can fix the annoying problem in Perplexity AI where it will be defaulted to the computer mode every time you want to start a new chat under a specific project. So as you can see right here, it is now using the computer mode, even though, let's say I just want to do a simple research or I just want to chat with AI. So I think the regular search mode makes more sense, and the computer mode is just more expensive, it is slower, and I would say it is overkill for a simple chat. So you might want to switch back to the regular search as the default mode every time you're chatting with any project on your Perplexity account. So to change the setting, you can navigate to the settings tab right here and then go to context, and then right here you can see that there's the option for default to computer. Just disable that option. Okay, and after that I'm going to start a new chat. Actually, I'm going to refresh the page. Let me just go back. So if I open the overview, if I refresh the page, you'll see that now it is not using the computer mode anymore. It is defaulted to the regular search mode. And the same setting can also be applied if you are using Perplexity's desktop app version. Just open settings again on the project that you want to modify the settings, and then go to context, scroll down a bit, and then disable default to computer. And after that you can restart the app, or maybe try to reopen the project again, and you should be starting a new chat under the regular search mode, not the computer mode. And by the way, in the mobile app version, I don't see any option or settings that lets you change the default mode when you are starting a new chat under a specific project in Perplexity. But at the same time, from experience, it is actually not using the computer mode by default. Every time I open a project in Perplexity, it is actually using the regular search mode. So I suppose this is not really a problem if you're using the mobile app version of Perplexity. But anyway, that's basically how you can fix this really tiny yet consistently annoying problem in Perplexity AI. So if you like this video and if you want to see some really cool AI use cases or problem solving techniques, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.